The current price of Axie Infinity is 4.45933325 off. AXS price could possibly trade as high as 9.28 by the end of 2023. Axie Infinity, with a potential surge, could go as high as $43.29 by 2030. One of the growing trends in the cryptoverse is blockchain gaming. The young and promising project that is ruling the gaming sector is Axie Infinity. The platform has its own native token, AXS. This protocol came up with stunning functionality where traders can earn through gaming. And, well, it was a huge success. And AXS's price has increased dramatically since its inception and boasts an ROI of 98.88%. Despite the numerous falls of the industry, its exceptional performance and notable revenue have turned heads in the industry, and marketers are still wondering if they should get some access before it's too late. In this write-up, we illustrate the feasible AXS price predictions 2023, 2025, and they are best in the city, either introduced or incident or any one, or access to the revolution of the price. That's how the work to try is someone to set up between Nagel and his right away. We were building up story years ago on May 1st. Overview, AXS price prediction October 2023, and Axie Infinity price prediction 2023, Axie Infinity price prediction 2023, 2030, Axie Infinity crypto price prediction 2024, Axie Infinity price prediction 2025, AXS price prediction 2026, Axie Infinity price prediction 2027, and AXS crypto price prediction 2028, AXS price prediction 2029, Axie Infinity price prediction 2030, and the other side of the market analysis and CoinPD's Axie Infinity price prediction, fundamental analysis. What is Axie Infinity? Historic market sentiments 2020 to 2021. In fact, and the statistics are from press time, the crypto has been trading in a consolidated range of 440 and 461 since mid-September. The coin had gained a price momentum following which the coin broke out of time the resistance level at $4.61. But for a short period of time, the AXS coin experienced a pullback and was pulled back into the consolidated range and has been trading within since. The MACD displays a decrease in its red histogram, indicating the price to experience a price action. Moreover, the histogram indicates a bullish convergence in its price, indicating the price to gain value in the coming days. If the bulls manage to gain power and break the resistance level at $4.61, then the price will experience a bullish movement, resulting in the price to prepare itself and test the then resistance of $4.85 by the end of this month. On the flip side, if the bears overpower the bulls, then the market may experience a trend reversal, resulting in the price to fall into bearish trap. Further, if the market fails to hold the support level of 440 and the Axie Infinity price is bound to test its crucial support level of 414 by the month end. The coin has been trading constantly in a descending channel since the month of February. And Axie Infinity has wiped out all its gains from the yearly surge. And there's this point has constantly failed multiple attempts to break out. The RSI have been trading close to the oversold range for almost a month now, following which the graph quickly shot close to its midpoint, indicating a massive buying and selling power. On the other hand, the MACD displays constant flatline on the histogram, indicating uncertainty in the future price action for the crypto, and also weak price action. The NFTs and gaming sector could further flourish in the crypto sphere in 2023, which would bring impetus citizens to the price action of AXS that could rocket to its maximum of $9.28. However, negative criticism and depleting volumes could land the price at $4.37. Constrained by linear momentum, the average price might settle at $6.82. According to the network's white paper, the network is coming up with a series of updates such as AXS staking, LAN gameplay community alpha, and mainstream release of the applications on smartphones. Successively, the negligible change makes AXS immune to massive downswings and also translates to the collective growth of the asset. On a positive note, AXS's price could compound the gains to claim its potential high of $13.70 by the end of 2024. Conversely, a possible economic crisis or regulatory crackdowns could knock the price down to $7.81. That said, a balance in everyday trade activities could pave the way for an average price tag of 10.75. And, as NFT's marketplace is going to flourish in upcoming years with its promising events in line, and in the future seems to be really positive for Axie Infinity, and new milestones are anticipated on its way. If the network successfully executes the planned events, then the price may hit $18.12 by the end of 2025. On the downside, if the network fails to attract new community bases and falls prey to rumors, the bears may easily take over. In such a case, the AXS price may plunge down to 11.79 cents. Successively considering the bullish and bearish targets, the regular price might find its base at $14.95. According to our analysts, AXS coin price prediction for the year 2026 could range between $15.61 to $23.55, and the average price of Axie Infinity could be around $19.58. According to our analysts, Axie Infinity price for the year 2027 could range between $20.13 to $27.91, and the average price of AXS could be around $24.02. According to our analysts, AXS's prediction for the year 2028 could range between $24.67 to $31.28, and the average Axie Infinity coin price could be around $27.98. And according to our analysts, Axie Infinity's forecast for the year 2029 could range between $28.95 to $35, and the average AXS coin price could be around $32.41. According to our analysts, AXS predictions for the year 2030 could range between $35.20 to $43.29, and the average Axie Infinity price could be around $39.24. We have made a table that includes the possible price prediction for the same token made by other crypto analysts on their respective platforms. The targets mentioned above are spending the average targets set by the respective firm. The project seems to be unstoppable, with a series of events lined up for launch. According to Coinpedia's formulated Axie Infinity price prediction, if the network witnesses timely launch of upgrades, the price may easily surpass the 928 mark this year. If the network fails to execute its plan, then the price can also dip to $4.37. Considering everyday buy and sell pressure and keeping the above factors in mind, the average price could be at $6.82. Axie Infinity was launched by SkyMavis, the Vietnam-based technology-focused game developer organization. The platform has two founders, Trung Nguyen and Alexander Larson. Trung Nguyen is the present CEO of the network. Nguyen accomplished his graduation with a BS in computer software engineering. And prior to founding the platform, he had accumulated experience of more than a year until he's a software engineer at end-to-end transactions. On the other hand, Alexander Larson, another co-founder of Axie Infinity, has gained experience in blockchain gaming since 2017. He had also contributed his service as the Executive Security Safety Officer for the Norwegian Government Security Organization. Apart from these founding members, the network consists of dozens of dedicated individuals. Axie Infinity witnessed a rise in its user base in 2021, surpassing a total of 1 million users.
With all these player bases, there comes the need for regular, better updates and revolutionary content. In order to fulfill the same, the network is coming up with many exciting updates, such as AXS staking, updates on Axie Infinity shards, integration with the iOS App Store, and many more in its bag.
Axie Infinity is an interesting blockchain game which aims to bring masses to the crypto space. In a fun way, AXS is a play-to-earn token built on the ETH and network, which is used for governance on the platform.
This revolutionary concept was developed in the year 2018 by Trung Nguyen, Alexander Zero Larson, Tutuan, Andy Ho, and Jeffrey Zerwin.
And the unique idea was inspired by popular games like Pokemon and Tamagotchi. So the token supports users to collect, breed, raise, battle, and trade token-based creatures known as Axie. Now this token can take several forms, and there are over 500 Axie body parts, including aquatic, beast, bird, plant, reptile, and more. Moreover, the parts also come with 4 different rarities: common, rare, ultra rare, and legendary. Each Axie is an NFT with unique features and benefits that will take a turn to compete in 3v3 battles. The winning team earns more experience points that are further utilized to level up their Axie scores or transform body parts. These Axie can be combined together to evolve new and different offspring, which can be further sold on the platform's marketplace. Axie Infinity entered the market in November 2020 with an ICO of $0.1. As the network entered the market almost toward the year end, the price hovered at the value of $0.5 with no activity. The AXS hovered around $2 during the first 2 months of 2021. In March, the platform came up with development upgrades and also made major media appearances, which helped the price spike to $10 by May end. It fell into a bearish trap on May 19th and lost almost 60% of the value, dropping to $3. And the increased popularity of the NFTs in the month of July commenced its intense bull run, hitting $81.2 on July 28th. Going through some variations, the Axie Infinity price has $92.21 by the end of Q3. Q4 was bullish for AXS as it shot up to $165.27 by the 7th of November. However, the digital token sunk down $92.15 by the end of the year. And Coinpedia has dedicated a team of expert analysts to cover the possible crypto price prediction and sum it all up in one place just for you. Yes, AXS is a profitable investment if considered for the long term, as we would witness NFTs and blockchain games thriving in the near future. The digital asset could possibly trade as high as $9.28 by the end of 2023. As per our AXS price prediction, the digital token could close its trade for 2025 with a price year tag of $18.12. With a potential surge, the price could go as high as $43.29 by the end of 2030. The ROI of AXS since the least known value is an astonishing 9 and 10.88%. AXS is available for trade across prominent cryptocurrency exchange platforms such as Binance, Huobi Global, FTX, and KuCoin, amongst others. At the time of publishing, the price of one AXS is $4.46